Welcome to a delightful journey of transforming a small front yard into a cozy cottage-inspired retreat. In this video, we explore how thoughtful design, simple garden gates, and soft natural elements can elevate even the tiniest outdoor space. This glow-up focuses on warmth, charm, and functionality, proving that limited space can still deliver a stunning first impression filled with personality and beauty. Before starting the transformation, it's important to define the overall aesthetic. A cozy cottage style embraces soft colors, natural textures, and a slightly whimsical feel. Think weathered wood, delicate flowers, and vintage-inspired accents. This vision will guide every design decision, ensuring the final result feels cohesive, inviting, and effortlessly charming. The garden gate becomes the focal point of the entire front yard. A simple wooden or metal gate painted in soft white or pastel tones instantly creates a welcoming entry. Adding subtle curves or lattice details enhances the cottage charm while maintaining simplicity. This small feature makes a big impact on the overall aesthetic. A thoughtfully designed pathway leads visitors from the gate to the front door. Use stepping stones, gravel, or brick to create a relaxed, organic flow. Slightly irregular spacing adds character and avoids a rigid look. Surrounding the path with greenery softens the edges and enhances the cozy garden atmosphere. Layering plants is essential in creating visual depth. Use a mix of low ground covers, medium shrubs, and taller flowering plants. This layered approach ensures the small yard feels full and vibrant without appearing overcrowded. Soft textures and varied heights create a natural, lived-in look. Cottage gardens are known for their dreamy floral palettes. Choose flowers in soft pinks, whites, lavenders, and gentle yellows. Roses, daisies, and hydrangeas are perfect for achieving that romantic, storybook feel. These blooms add both color and fragrance, enhancing the sensory experience of the space. A simple fence helps define the space without making it feel enclosed. Opt for picket fences or thin wooden slats painted in light tones. The goal is to create a boundary that still feels welcoming and visually light, allowing the garden to feel connected to its surroundings. with charming details like vintage-style handles, soft arches, or climbing plants. Even a small wreath or hanging floral arrangement can elevate the look. These subtle touches bring personality and make the entrance feel thoughtfully curated. When space is limited, think vertically. Trellises, wall planters, and climbing vines add greenery without taking up ground space. This technique draws the eye upward, making the yard feel larger and more dynamic while maintaining a lush appearance. Even a small front yard can include a cozy seating area. A simple bench or a pair of compact chairs can create a relaxing nook. Add soft cushions in neutral or floral patterns to enhance comfort and tie into the cottage theme. Incorporate soft outdoor lighting to highlight pathways and key features. Solar lanterns, string lights, or small wall sconces provide a warm glow in the evening. This not only improves functionality but also adds a magical, cozy atmosphere after sunset. Cottage style thrives on natural materials. Use wood, stone, and woven textures throughout the design. These elements add warmth and authenticity, helping the space feel grounded and harmonious with nature. Incorporate small decorative pieces like watering cans, ceramic pots, or vintage-inspired ornaments. Keep it minimal to avoid clutter while still adding character. Each piece should feel intentional and contribute to the overall cozy aesthetic. Stick to a soft, cohesive color palette to maintain a calming atmosphere. Whites, creams, muted greens, and pastel hues work beautifully together. This palette enhances the cottage vibe and ensures the space feels serene and inviting. Use natural edging like stones or low plants to define garden beds. This keeps the design organized while still feeling organic. Avoid harsh lines, opting instead for gentle curves that enhance the relaxed cottage style. Choose plants that bloom at different times of the year to keep the yard looking lively across seasons. Incorporating evergreen elements ensures the space remains attractive even during off-bloom periods. Select plants and materials that require minimal maintenance. This ensures the garden remains beautiful without demanding constant effort. A well-planned layout can significantly reduce upkeep while maintaining visual appeal. Combine subtle symmetry with organic placement. For example, balance the gate with matching planters while allowing the garden beds to flow naturally. This creates a design that feels both intentional and relaxed. Incorporate fragrant plants like lavender or jasmine to enhance the sensory experience. A cozy cottage garden should not only look beautiful but also smell inviting, creating a multi-sensory outdoor retreat. Add elements that attract birds and butterflies, such as nectar-rich flowers or a small water feature. This brings life to the garden and enhances its natural charm, making the space feel vibrant and dynamic. Incorporate elements that reflect personal taste, such as handmade decor or favorite plants. These touches make the garden feel authentic and meaningful, turning it into a true extension of the home. Showcasing the transformation from a plain yard to a cozy cottage garden emphasizes the power of thoughtful design. Even small changes can create a dramatic improvement, inspiring viewers to reimagine their own spaces. The final stage involves refining details, adjusting placements, and ensuring everything feels balanced. Small tweaks can make a big difference, elevating the overall presentation and ensuring the design feels complete. This small front yard glow-up proves that charm and beauty are not defined by size. With simple garden gates, thoughtful planting, and cozy design elements, any outdoor space can become a welcoming retreat. This transformation celebrates creativity, comfort, and the timeless appeal of cottage-style living.